Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import products from different websites to your Shopify store. And to do this, you will need an application. You're going to go to apps or just in the search bar and you're going to write down Robo. This is the product importer. They have a free plan available, free trial. I mean, it's $6 a month. And when you install it, you can actually import the products from all the different websites. It has some downsides, but it works, and this is how much it costs. So I have a day free trial, and it's $6. And basically you approve it. Now, what you need to do is get the extension. As you can see, you need to follow all of the steps here. Now, when you get an extension, you're gonna go to any website. So, for example, for today's video, let's use Amazon. Now, let's add some products. So, for example, when we are now here, you will need that extension. And when you click on the extension, you're gonna click Add to Shopify button, which will add your product to your Shopify. And now, as you can see, you can import a product page link right there. This is the basic information. You can add it to your collections. Add some product tags, the price, and so on. Now, you're gonna go to the description. You can change it. The image is already there. And add the product to your Shopify. And now you can actually view it on your store. So for example, here it is. This is the product. We just imported it, and you can do this with every single product from anywhere. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.